Good morning. Today, temperatures starting off much more comfortably than we have in the last week. We had some pretty chilly mornings. Not the case this morning. We've got some quiet weather out there, too. You can see not much to show you here this morning on our Storm Team Skycam network. We're looking off to the west. Not a lot going on, which is a good thing for that Monday morning commute. We don't have inclement weather to report to you here. Here's a look at our temperatures. Again, they are milder than they've been recently. We're into the 40s to start off this morning. It's 41 in Park Rapids. The one exception in the 40s is Wadena, where we're down to 37 degrees. So that's kind of the pocket of cooler air that we have in place right now. As we look throughout the valley, though, you can see most of us into the mid to some upper 40s to start off today. Our winds are out of the south, and there are a few of us that are seeing them into the teens, but they're not that strong. That we're seeing up to 12 miles per hour in Gwinner and in Oak. So southerly wind, a good wind to keep us on the warmer side of things here today. Good visibility too, and your radar and satellite map looking pretty good. We've got quiet weather here in the valley. There are some clouds moving in. There is some what looks like a big thunderstorm north of the valley. That's a radar error. Out to the west, though, that's where we're seeing some showers in the Minot and Bismarck area. They've got some thunder showers south of Bismarck, and all of this is heading our way. So we'll see more cloud cover as this starts to move in and the potential for a shower or two, but it does not look very impressive. So we're not looking at big time thunderstorms or anything like that, but still the potential for a shower to impact us, especially in our western viewing area as we head through our Monday morning. So by 7 o'clock, you can see some of those clouds rolling through. Can't roll out an isolated shower, especially out west. Temperatures by 9 into the 50s. That southerly breeze helping to warm us up rather quickly today. We're going to end up in the 60s at lunchtime, and this is warmer than we got to all day yesterday in most spots, into the low to mid 60s, and we build off of that. And so we'll end up seeing those 70s return for us in eastern North Dakota. Those of us into northwest Minnesota still in the 60s, but warmer than yesterday. We were in the 50s there. So everybody's warming things up a little bit. Feeling a lot better. We'll have some good sunshine. There'll be some passing clouds too, but we'll get some sun. And then heading into tonight, you can see that there's the potential for some spotty isolated showers overnight, but overall looking pretty quiet as we head into tomorrow morning. We'll start off the day tomorrow with a little bit of a wind out of the south, some breezes picking up into the 20s. Temperatures, though, still looking good. We're still looking at some 40s to some low 50s and some relatively quiet conditions. Can't rule out, though, an isolated shower tomorrow, especially in the morning hours. You could see those more likely in the eastern viewing area. Heading into the noon hour, more similar conditions. We're looking at 60s around noon. Some of us in the Southern Valley getting into the 70s, low 70s for your highs for Tuesday. With that wind starting to shift direction behind this front, we're looking at wind speeds becoming northerly, but it shouldn't have too much of an impact on us. We're still looking at some pretty mild conditions heading into your Tuesday evening with some 60s on the way. So a couple of really nice, pleasant days with a slight chance for some rain. And there's more where that came from here as far as temperatures are concerned. Here's your photo again today of waterfall at Turtle River State Park. Amber shared this with us. And checking out your 7-day planner, it's just looking really good. Next couple of days look good. Heading into Wednesday and Thursday, more 70s ahead. We'll see a chance for more rain too, but you could see only a 20% chance. So it's not looking like we're going to get a washout or anything like that as we head through the week. When we get to Friday, though, that's when we start to see some changes. Better chances for some rain and some thunderstorms coming up for both Friday and into Saturday, which could lead to a pretty active weekend. Warmer Saturday, but on Sunday, once that cooler air moves in, we're looking at some 50s and some rain. So I think we'll get some sunshine in between on Saturday. It's not going to be raining all day long, but the potential's there. So we'll have more on that for you as the weekend gets closer.
I just want to focus on the 70s to start.
Yes.
Good stuff. After President Trump nearly doubled tariffs on Chinese goods on Friday, China has a host of options to retaliate. What does that mean for U.S. consumers and businesses? The answer up next.